He a crazy one. Not me. Maldita la.
Yo, para que no sabes quién se compró el carro.
Hey, let me hear that shit, boy. Sí, eso. Oye, mira. Este te agarra así, mira. Son rápidos. He overdriving. His dick is winning, regardless.
I don't want to deal with you. All right.
He said, we're not digging with this dinner, but. Sí, es un Stenner.
No, not yet. I'm gonna get it tuned up.
When you do it, don't force it.
Bro, what's up with the nigga with the scat?
They can tell you.
They keep coming through here and he not even stopping. Like,
It's gonna fuck.
They can do
just
it.
park over here, man. Stop being lame and shit. It's a good ass day, my boy. Good ass day. What up, YouTube? So as y'all can see, your boy just got done cleaning the beast. We're getting ready to head up to this big meet. Hopefully it doesn't get canceled because it says everything goes. Y'all know what that means. Craziness, two-step, burnouts, cars doing dumbass donuts. So yeah, everything's allowed. So just got done cleaning this thing up. I put the wax just now on it, so she is shining. But yeah, man, look at that thing, boy. Shiny, shiny. Other than that, let's get ready for the boys to pull up to the meet. And vámonos. El coro, llegó el coro, coño. Y'all already know the vibes, man. We here, but cops came through, busted it. All the cars left, right. So now we came right back after like 20 minutes and no cars are here. It's just us. So now we're waiting to see if people's gonna come back over here. If not, we're trying to figure out if they have a new spot. But these are all the cars that was at my house. So basically nobody's here except for us. Yo, it's too cold, man. I'm about to just wait inside the car and figure this shit out. I'm trying to get some good content, man. I want to see some people spinning, burnouts, two-step, all that fun shit. That's it. If ain't none of that, I'm probably not going to even upload it. Oh, he let off. He let off. He going. ¡Jore! ¡Coño!
Hoja, el Bugatti rojo adentro, ya te casi los 30, el Eiffel los 300, los cueros que yo choco no le llega, tú eres chueco, la 9 da muy poco, me gusta dejar hueco, nada más soy yo que toco, lo contrario tan seco, digo más city con esos palos frescos, es mía la manzana, hoy en la cuatro esquinas por mi cuero tan bacana, nada más rapo bailarina, la mañana de Montana, el gusto que fascina, gente de tala, no mucho donde tina, tina,
You out?
no mucho donde tina,
Oh.
ya no pague peo, con la música fuerte.
Dale two-step para que le explote la oreja. I'm about to two-step down your ass, boy. Dale un chip al mío, el two-step. Está prendido.